Hey Sonny, I'm Jared, and right now I'm on the mini exercise bike. We're getting ready to jump into our workout. This is a 10-minute workout where I'm gonna be guiding you through how to improve circulation and even get your heart rate up. So let's go. If you haven't already started, please join me because we're gonna begin with a short warm-up together. During this time, we have a little bit of an out-of-the-box style of getting our workout in and doing aerobic or cardiovascular training. Now, I find this to be really effective because if you have any injuries, limitations, or if you need to stay seated for various reasons, here's an excuse-proof way of making sure that you still get your movement in, thus improving circulation all throughout your body, specifically in your shoulders and arms, chest and back, and core. So right now, we're gonna keep it at a moderate pace. And we're gonna start to breathe as well, a little bit differently here, because if you're breathing the exact same way as if you were maybe just hanging out, sitting on the couch, watching TV, you're setting yourself up for failure. You're gonna wanna begin to take notice of your breathing. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is see if you can find a little bit of pattern, a little rhythm for the breath. So an example of that would be, and whether it is through your nose or through your mouth, the rhythm itself is gonna give something for our mind to stay focused on, occupied, and that way we can just be in the moment, getting more from this time. I wanna take you through some intervals as well. So what that basically means is that there is gonna be specific periods of time where I have you pick up your pace a little bit. And then there's gonna be periods where I have you slow down. So we're gonna start ourselves off for about 30 seconds. I'm gonna ask you to pick up your pace. We're not gonna use the resistance just yet. 3, 2, 1. So let's pick it up by about 10%. Ideally, what you wanna feel is a combination of A, yeah, I could keep going, right? I'm not killing myself. But also B, the other side of the coin, I also feel like I'm working a little bit. There's some effort going into keeping this exact pace. 3, 2, 1, slow it down. Good job. And then for 30 seconds, we get a chance to slow and recover. And that's how we'll work through this one today. Every 30, we're gonna make a change. Sometimes I'm gonna have you add some resistance. Sometimes I'm gonna have you go without, okay? So I just wanna bring in some variety so that you actually feel like you're getting a workout in. We're gonna go same thing again, 30 seconds of work in 3, 2, 1. Let's pick up our pace. If you like a number, see if you can find about a 5 out of 10. That's my speed right now, about a 5 out of 10. That means, once again, same sort of metrics. I could do this for a while, I'm not working too hard, I'm not killing myself, but I'm also putting in some effort to keep this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. All right, good start. How you feeling so far? You nodding your head? Okay, I hope you are. Hopefully you're feeling good. Now we're gonna start to add resistance, and if you're not quite sure where that is, I'm just gonna pause, taking one hand off. I'm gonna keep moving. Here I've got my resistance dial, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this a full half turn, okay? I want you to do the same with me. Halfway around, grabbing back on, we're getting moving here, and 30 seconds, we're gonna pick up our pace all over again. I'm still at about that 5 out of 10. Okay, now what I want to do is make sure my torso is tall, my posture's upright. And I'm going to start to kind of brace my core a little bit. If you're not familiar with how to do that, take your belly button and pull it in towards your spine. So that's the idea of making your core muscles nice and tight. 3, 2, 1. All right, so take your dial, turn it to the left halfway, and we're going to go 30 seconds without any resistance at all. Nice job, we're moving. So another reason I like this is because this kind of forces me to lift my posture up tall. I can't sit back and do this and be lazy or relaxed. I've got to be upright and ready to go. So here we go again. It's gonna go 1 half, 2 halves, all the way around. We're gonna get this thing going. You ready? Please make your adjustments and let's do it. Turn it a little bit faster. So now I'm at about a 6 out of 10. There should be a visual difference in how fast your hands are moving. And in order to do this, you might need to get just a little bit of rotation here. So if you take a look at me, you'll just see tiny bit of shoulder movement and my torso's just turning right to left. A little bit of rotation's helping me. 3, 2, 1, and slow it down. 30 seconds, we're gonna slow. Keep that resistance right where it is. Good job. So slowing down our pace, giving our body, giving our muscles a chance to recover here. We're gonna pick it back up again. And I wanna add even more resistance this next interval, okay? So here we go. One more, full turn all the way around. Let's pick it up and let's bring our speed back to 6 out of 10. Remember the breathing pattern. Getting a little bit more activity in my whole body here because I have to go faster. Only 10 more seconds at this pace, okay? Stay with me. You're doing great. I want some work, but you should still feel like you're safe. 3, 2, 1, slow it down. Good job. So we were just at about a 6 out of 10. Right now, you're at about a 2 or a 3 out of 10. So an intentional, a deliberate decrease for those same purposes. Let's bring our heart rate down a little bit. We only have a couple intervals left, so you're doing great. Let's keep working. You're doing awesome here. We're gonna go another full turn all the way around together, and in 3, we're gonna pick it back up. In 2, in 1, come on, let's go. So now, if you can find this, I want you at about 60 or a maximum up to 70% effort here. It's only 30 seconds, and the good news is as of right now, there's only another 12. Good speed, you're doing great. Again, what are the benefits here? We are increasing circulation. We're strengthening our arm muscles. Our core gets some benefit as well. Slow it down. Take your dial and give it a full turn left. So go back, releasing a little bit of the tension. And we're slowing it down. We got another 15 seconds at this slower pace. We are going to do another one. So that clock is moving really fast. We're gonna go 1 full turn, 2 full turns all the way around to the right, okay? So we got some added resistance, let's go. Pick it up. Anywhere between 60 and 70% of your max. A safe effort here, but a big effort. And the arms are doing this synchronized push-pull, 10 seconds to go, push-pull. Let's get a little bit uncomfortable still, keeping it safe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and slow it down. Nicely done. All right, go ahead and take your resistance dial. 1, 2, and 3 times to the left all the way around. We want to release all the tension out. And we're gonna slow it down for a really great cool down portion here. Well, I'm very proud of you. Once again, this is one of those things where we have a beautiful opportunity with all of the diverse equipment that Sunny offers to eliminate excuses. I find that there's always a reason to not do something. But if we can make sure that we get movement in, even for just 5 or 10 minutes, that could quite literally change our entire day. And if you can change your day, you can change your week. If you can change your week, you can change your month, and so on. So slowing it down, taking a moment to just give yourself a little bit of praise and maybe a little pat on the back, so to speak. I want to say thank you for joining me today for this workout. Hope you had as much fun as I did. And if you like today's workout, make sure you come back to this again. Get more of this, stay consistent as you can. Take care. If you like this workout, make sure you follow me on the Sunny Fit app. I lead strength, mobility, cardio, all sorts of different workouts,
and I make sure that I offer tips and tricks on how to get incredible results. So whether it's myself or other trainers, make sure that you download that app, and I'll see you right here next time.